Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Miss Kali, popularly known as Utirelo. She recently went out on a date. What I say, date? It was not a date. I think it was a vacation with Mami Zala shortly after in New Year, New Year's Eve. Yeah, and as they were on a date enjoying themselves, Upudweni Usmindi went on Instagram and posted ukuthi ukhumbula my XYK guys.
And angazi ukuthi ukubona lokho ngoba nami angikwenzi lokho
le nto ndihlala
angikwenzi nje
Yazi
ngoba
nobaba ke
wakhe
uzuyasho ukuthi like azange amkhulise ngale ndlela le, azange amfundise such behavior, but the way abehave ngakhona, so njengoba uTerelo nomama Kim nomama kaSibindi bebaye ku-outing njengoba baphumile, so uthi maye uSibindi guys went to go Instagram and he posted a post where he was saying if ever we girlfriend I'm lost there, can you please text me because mina ngiyakhohlwa, so on and so forth. Imagine ngaleso sikhathi you have a girlfriend yakhona uyithathile wayihambisa nomama wakho baya ku-vacation, hayi bazoswimela nabantwana ngaleso sikhathi wena ukhumbula ama-ex wakho. And then guys, where did this girl go? Because bathe bamkhipha ilobolo and now we're not seeing vekazi uzowahamba nje because of luyakhe loya. But then here's the post yakhona guys, he posted izolo and he is what he was saying.
angikhumbuza ngoba ngikhohlwe zonke izinto kade zenzala siye ngiyaphuthuma-ke usondele nganeno kade into
Yabona noma singaya eKapa or e-KZN or noma kukuphi guys, no woman will stand uMpumelelo Mseleko. Like i-behavior yakhe uzitshela ukuthi yazini, I saw my father doing this and then wayithatha as i-behavior yomjolo and now uyenza kumantombazana a-innocent, like I understand, and then he will expect respect and all kuTerelo or whoever azojola naye, but yena he keeps on doing this and uthanda i-internet, uyayithanda i-internet, it's like uphilela yona, it's like sina sisapota le nto ayenzayo ukuthi like kumele alokhu abhizi ahethana namantombazana yenza isithembu somjolo.
into engiyizele lana-ke nje ukudala apha nje.
Hayi cha, uyifunde kabi yena indaba yakhe yesithembu guys, like on a serious note. Nakhona akafuni isithembu, yamuzwa na they were khona athi yena into afuna ukuyenza is just ukutalapha nje kuphela. Shuthi nje uTerelo nje bambeke laphayana and then outside kuyachithwa. But I mean I also blame his father. Lo muntu ubone from babakhe, if babakhe didn't have isithembu, okay fine, babakhe ulazishada leli thembu lezi, but like if ever beyanganasithembu I feel like bayazozijolela kuphela, like it won't be public ukuthi manje sesizwele uTerelo, sizwele uVuyokazi, sizwele every girl he's with. Yo guys yazini, thank you for watching.